No, I'm joking.
Oh, yeah.
You know me, just always cracking a joke for the
Okay, we were going to do another recipe. We're going to make these little salted caramel things, and we realised we just don't have all the stuff. So we're going to make now, from the app, coconut ruff, which is simple coconut butter, coconut shredded, cacao powder, coconut oil, and a sweetener of choice, which if you're cleansing, some sort of monk fruit xylitol, stevia setup. But if you're not cleansing, honey, right? Honey's fine. Or if you're doing the relaxed version of the cleanse, honey will be fine. I love this because, you know, this is easy, right? So, Jake, step one, half cup coconut butter.
Let's go.
Do you want to chop the brick?
Chop the brick.
There's that.
Half cup.
Half a cup, so just give it, it'll sort of flake off. Half cup coconut.
Some of the brick. It's gonna take a while, dude. Oh, no, I'm joking.
Oh, yeah.
You know me, just always cracking a joke for the
While he does that, I'm going to get half a cup of, I'm using toasted coconut flakes. Bit of sea salt in there. About 3 years old. What's the use by date? Best before April 2022. Should be fine, but right?
Do I have any fresher ones? Is that right?
I'm not going to, I don't know. I think it's meant to be crispy.
Oh, you got shredded coconut.
Yeah, I just found this though, so we'll use that instead,
Yeah,
eh?
dude, that actually is I mean, I'm not used to having it with sea salt, maybe.
Yeah, true. Okay, so now there's
About half.
There's a half a cup of coconut butter. That's going into the thermo. Obviously, if you don't have a thermo, you would just
If
put it
you're
on.
not rich,
You would just put it on a saucepan.
blend it in a blender.
I'm not rich. I'm just super like bad with my money. So I'm just like not bad with my money. I get things I like, and I like this because I just if you in your head if you think you're gonna have it all one day, who cares about these little things that make life easier? Plus, if you want to be healthy, fuck, this made it easier. Shout out to Sheridan for really inspiring. Actually, Jake sort of got me on the thermos. I didn't know about him, but Sheridan's the thermo queen.
Yeah, she is.
So we got half a cup of cacao butter in there. Done. We got half a cup. Let's not use that one, eh?
Yeah.
Half a cup of shredded coconut. Story about this, I decided I was going to get really into cooking of like treats. I was like, well, let's just, because cacao butter is so expensive, so I got 5 kilos of it.
So you got this back at
I got this like 3 years ago.
I don't know when you got it.
And it's just been sitting there, and I googled last night. I was like, all right, how long does this shit last? Because it's been there for a while. And it says like 5 years. It's probably been 4 years.
Yeah.
But everything by taste, right? I go everything by taste. Okay, we've got half a cup of coconut shredded. What else do we want? We got half a cup, everything says half a cup. Easy, how good is this one? Half cup, half cup, half cup, half cup. Half cup of cacao powder. Nothing but the finest. Tested for impurities, as always. Okay, it's obviously less than half a cup, but let's do it. Oh shit. Oh well. Extra chocolatey, beautiful.
2 tablespoons of Lecanto monk fruit sweetener. Personally, I like xylitol, but this will do. 2 tablespoons. Or to your liking.
Half cup coconut oil. Just about half a cup. Okay, so that's the ingredients, and obviously you just put that on low heat until it's dissolved. But do we want to like just be a little bit crazy because Rowdy's got some collagen caramel.
Oh yeah.
Wonder if that would just give it a good flavour. Let's just make sure there's no trash in this. Looks pretty good. Let's give this a go. Just see that makes a good difference. A little dust. A little another dust. So now it's a chocolate caramel coconut slice.
Smells good.
Okay, so that on low, what's low? Let's say 65 or something.
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh, I just want to stir it. So I don't want to blend the coconut, I want a bit of crunch, so it's on reverse. And there we go. See you in a couple minutes. Go for it.
I did. Is it to the right?
That's to the left.
To the left.
You gotta hold it as you pull, it's super weird.
Hold this thing.
Yeah, as you pull it.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're kidding me.
Hey honey!
Hey, baby. Hey, come over here. No, you did a rollies.
Good. No wasted calories. Alright, we just got some baking paper here. Probably like increase the quantity if you want more, but there we go. It's gonna be a thin slice.
That'd be good.
So I reckon next time I make this, I'm gonna double the quantity of everything. Because this isn't a recipe for ants. You know what that's off?
Zoolander.
Just making sure.
What is this? A center for ants?
Just like pretending like it's funny,
A
right?
center for ants. Yeah. I just laugh at jokes.
Alright, so there you have it. Coconut rough, easy, cleanse-friendly recipe that you can have whenever. That's like easy chocolate, you know what I mean? I go to the IGA and get those fucking Loco Love bars and stuff. It cost me they cost so much, you know? So that's simple, easy. Look how quick we did that, if you have a thermo. And done. And I'll show you what I made last night.
Whip it out.
Shout out to Sharon Austin's ebook, Sugarless Sweet Ebooks. Don't know if she sells it anymore, but I bought it back in the day. White chocolate panna cotta with macadamia. Right?
Thank you.
Look at that. A little bit of this on top. Oh my god.
shit.
Look at that.
Go on that. That is really good, eh? Fuck, she's mastered this shit, eh?
That's good.
Amazing.
Bit of macadamia, bit of vanilla, bit of gelatin, bit of, what else was there? Cacao butter. Got plenty of that.
And you can have that for breakfast.
Yeah, you could have it.
Whenever you want.
Oops, you could have it for free. So I make that, and this is how I have little snacks at night.
So good.
But I generally always have something like this in the fridge. I'm always making this shit. So anyway, there you have it. Database. This is all from. Oops. Coconut oil still on me. All from the app, right? So all we did today, because we just randomly did that, is we clicked at the recipe, clicked that part, clicked on the desserts. There's Sheridan's mousse. I think Sunny added this one in. So there's just all this sort of stuff, you know what I mean? And we constantly update it. There's lunches, there's dinners, there's breakfast. Soon to be, eventually we're gonna put all the movement stuff in there. But for now, it's just a real database. And crew, let's just see who posted this morning. Hey Russell, look at that, coconut crush chicken. So he made the recipe from the dinners. And then you just see, like, it's so sick watching people cook the same shit, you know what I mean? Like, what did she make? Awful 4-hour sleep, go outside, reset the body clock. I did bone, it was me actually, like bone broth patties from Bucox. And you get inspiration to cook and a bunch of people to vibe on and all be healthy together and learn. Thanks.
All right, our videographer's gone, but look at this shit. Look at this. Hold that for me, ready?
This is the coconut rough. What is that? Some sort of nut. Anyway, I don't know how that got in there, but let's try it. Oh, my, that is really good. Like, I'm not just saying that. That is if you could put that in a little fucking box thing, put a brand on it, some pretty colours, I'll buy that for $15 a block. Not $15, I'll buy it for $10 a block. But that's so good, you know? And how cheap is that? Beautiful. There you go. Try that.
Good? It's pretty good, eh?
Perfect.
Quick and easy.
Well.